Hey, welcome back my friends to another Sprinkler Supply Store product overview. This is take number 3 because the first 2 times I was on mute and then I realized it and then I recorded it again and then I realized I forgot to unmute after I started recording it the second time. It's the third time, which does not mean this video is gonna be any better the third time than it would have been the first time. But before I forget, we're talking about the Irritrol 533 Flood Bubbler. I'm not gonna call this a nozzle because it's not a nozzle. It does not go on a pop-up sprinkler. It goes on a fixed riser. And you can use any fixed riser of your choice. I happen to have a little riser here that we use in the office to stand up sprinklers on desks and such. And it just screws on there to any 1/2-inch riser. Your riser could be 1 inch or 2, like this, above the ground. Or you could have your riser be 2 feet. It really doesn't matter. All you need to know that it's got a 1/2-inch inlet. So build a 1/2-inch riser of your choice. You can put the flood bubbler on it and it's really simple. So what I wanna do is I'm gonna set that down here and then we're gonna flip over to the nerd cam, okay? And then we're gonna take a closer look at it. So here's the nerd cam and there's our flood bubbler. And you can see on the top, just use this Rainbird adjustment tool to point a couple things out. There's an off indicator arrow and an on indicator arrow. Get too close. So to turn it off, all you have to do is, whoops, it's actually off right now. If you want to turn it on, you turn it in the counterclockwise position. That opens it, and then to turn it off, you can turn it clockwise, and that'll close it down and turn it off. So if you have these on, let's say, 10 different trees, if you have 10 trees and each tree has a bubbler, and one of the trees happens to be, let's say, lower down on the hill or a little bit in a swale, you could manually turn off the bubbler that's on that tree and keep the other bubblers on. Or you could decide that you want to change the amount of water that's on per tree and have some trees that are maybe up on the top of a berm, they could get a little bit more water, and as the slope goes down, you could slowly turn off the other bubblers. So you can control them each individually if they happen to be on the same zone. Really easy to do. So I hope that helps, and if we can help answer any questions that you might have about this product, about drip irrigation, bubblers in general, feel free to drop a comment down below if you're watching this on YouTube, and if you're watching this on our website, give us a call, hit us up on the chat, send us an email, or send us a text message, and we'd love to help you out. So till the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling. We'll talk to you then.